My dear little friends, be careful on the way to school. Be alert and pay attention to traffic. No running, no jumping, no playing on the roads. No more accidents on our roads. No more accidents on our roads. No.
Lesson 27. Importance of seat belts.
Whoa! We are lucky to be on the booster seat.
Can you imagine if we were not wearing our seat belts?
Our seat belts protect us from getting hurt.
Booster seats and the seat belts help protect children. They should be chosen according to the child's height. They are specifically designed to hold children securely.